Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add chat to OBS 2024. So let's go to the chat OBS first. Then you have to click on the sources option. In the blank side, put your mouse cursor and right click on this, and then you'll find the first option add. Just hover up your mouse on add and you'll find this option. You have to choose browser. Then you have to write here, rename it to chat. Then click on OK. After click on OK, you can see here a URL. You have to cancel this or delete this, and you have to paste your URL here, your chat room or your chat form URL here. Okay, then you can change the width and height from here. Then click on OK. After click on OK, you can see that there is a chat room has been created. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.